transgenic plants to cope poor soil quality. About 60% of the world's arable land, it is not suitable for the cultivation of plants, or one can say that these are the marginal soils. All the plants can grow there, but the yield it is not high or optimum. And such marginal soils, they are due to some extreme pH or other environmental factors. In addition to extreme pH, there is also poor availability of the nutrients, and the presence of toxic metal ions is also one of the problems that can degrade the soil quality. And especially the availability of phosphorus and iron, it is the main issue. कि phosphorus जो है या आयरन जो कि एक माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट है, इसकी अवेलेबिलिटी जो है प्लांट ग्रोथ को बड़ा इन्फ्लुएंस करती है. अगर हम एसिडिक सॉइल की एग्जांपल लें तो अराउंड 40% जो सॉइल्स हैं दे आर द मार्जिनल सॉइल्स, एंड हियर द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ सम metal ions or ions like the aluminium, it is high. And with collaboration like the iron, it can precipitate or convert the phosphorus into insoluble form. Once the phosphorus it is in insoluble form, it is no more available to the plants. So the presence of aluminium or even the iron in acidic soil, it can convert the phosphorus into insoluble form. In the same way, if the pH it is on other extreme, that is alkaline or basic, then here some other type of ions, they may be dominating. For example, here calcium and magnesium may be present in high concentrations. And again, the problem is the same, that is insolubility of the phosphorus. If phosphorus is not available, then plant growth it may be hampered. And even in case of the presence of high concentration of the aluminium, root growth development will be inhibited. And in case of the basic or alkaline soils, although calcium it is very important and can act as a signaling molecule, but its high concentration it can precipitate the phosphorus. So because of this situation, the soil may be the marginal soil, that plant may be able to grow, but crop yield may be very low. Now there are certain plants that can produce high concentrations of organic acids like citrate, malate, or oxaloacetate. And these organic acids, they play a very vital role in the solubilization of phosphorus within the root zone, which is called as the rhizosphere. That is the zone that is directly under the influence of plant roots. And the secretion of such acidic substances or root exudates, it also triggers the proliferation of beneficial microbes within the root zone. And those microbes, they have the ability to solubilize the phosphate and other minerals that are present within the soil. Now here again, we can take the help of gene manipulation in order to engineer the transgenic plants. For example, here the citrate, which is acidic substance, organic acid, its gene like citrate synthase, it can be inserted into the target plants to engineer transgenic plants. Now, high expression of citrate synthase will result in the production of citrate that will play a role in the solubilization of minerals. In the same way, plant roots or even microbes, they also have the ability to synthesize other enzymes like the phytases within the root zone. Now, phytases, they are also very beneficial because phosphate, they are not only present in mineral forms or in inorganic form, but in addition to that, phosphates, they are also present in bounded form in organic matter. And this form, simply one can say that it is a phytate, and in organic form it is not available to plants or other microbes until it is mineralized. Now here, the enzymes that are called as the phytases, they help to release this bounded form of organic phosphate in the soil. And again, I will mention that plant roots have the ability to secrete the phytases, but in addition to that, microbes, they also have the ability to produce phytases. And all these activities, they can be managed or manipulated to increase the availability of the minerals within the root zone.